Hello students, today we are going to learn 2.2 Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. Now let's take the information about the poet. All of you know that she is the famous poet, political activist and a patriot. We know that she has participated in the struggle of freedom and she was the first Indian female president of National Congress. She was the first woman governor of the independent India. She was the follower of Mahatma Gandhi ji and she was known as the Nightingale of India. This title was actually given by Mahatma Gandhi to her for her contribution of melodious poems to the world. Now the story is like that her parents wanted to make her career in science and maths, but she was interested in literature, and at the age of 12 she started to write poems. She has written many famous poems. From that, one more is given to us, that is the Indian Weavers. Now let's take the title Indian Weavers. Weavers are the artisans, craftsmen who were the backbone of our India at that time. Weavers are the persons who weave the fabric, the cloth or the garment. And here Indian weavers are mentioned. Why? Because throughout the poem we can see the impact of Indian mythology, Indian society on the poem. So the title is very suitable and apt, Indian Weavers. Now let's take the poem. As I told you, the poems are very melodious that we can sing it. We was weaving at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wing of a Halcyon wild. We weave the robes of a newborn child. Let's see first this 4-line stanza. Actually, in these 3 lines, the question is asked by the poet to the weaver, and last one is the answer given by the weavers. So, this is the communicative poem. Communication format is there. She's addressing weavers. Once at early in the morning, break of day, means early in the morning, she found that some weavers were weaving. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Then she asked them, why are you weaving this garment which is so gay? Gay means what? Gay means happy. Gay means cheerful. And so how a garment can be happy? So this word reflects to the mood of weavers. So the poet is asking at early in the morning that why are you weaving a garment and very happily? Your mood is very cheerful. And how the garment is, that is explained in the next line. It is in a blue color. We all of you know that blue has many shades. But here it looks like a wing of Halcyon wild. Halcyon means a bird, kingfisher, which we can find in African jungles. So that bird has a very royal blue color on its wings. That color is of the garment which weavers are weaving so happily. So we can understand that in the 3 lines the poet asked the weavers at early in the morning, why are you weaving a garment which is in a blue color and you are waving it very happily? It looks like a bird of kingfisher. And at that time the answer given by the weavers is that we weave the robes of a newborn child. They are weaving robes. Robes are the overcoat, a comfortable loose cloth made for newborn babies. So what the weavers are doing? They told that we were weaving robes for newborn baby.